I'm going to clean and decorate for Christmas the front of my house. That includes especially the front porch because even though at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme that we focus on doing things in the kitchen for the kitchen, you have to be able to get in the house. So let's get the front of that house straightened up. Hello, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Today, we are cleaning. We are Christmas cleaning and decorating the front of the house and the front porch because I want you to say, oh, that looks beautiful when you drive past. Now, this is being hosted by Michelle of My Everyday Wife Life. And she's all about the house and cleaning and decorating and doing all kinds of fun things in the home. And she has invited quite a few creators who are also going to be adding those special touches for Christmas to the front of their homes as well. Now, what I would like for you to do is to go down in the description box, and there you're going to see the My Everyday Wife Life link, as well as the playlist to our Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me, the front porch for 2020. So, if you're interested in what everybody's doing and you're not going to want to miss a thing, stay tuned. When we talk about cleaning the front of the house, that means that first of all, we have to make sure the door is clean and also clean up whatever may already be on the front porch. So we're doing that, and we want to make sure that we have everything spotless. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking the time to clean off the glass door, remove all of the fall attire that was out there. And if you did not get to see my fall front porch, you will definitely want to take a look. And I'll make sure that that is down in the description box because you'll want to take a peek at that just to see what it looked like first, and then see what we're going to do with it for Christmas, because this is going to be so much fun. Well, everyone needs a bit of inspiration, and especially when they're trying to plan what their holiday front porch is going to look like. So I'm getting ready to take down fall on this porch because right now, as you can see, I've got a mixture. I've got my wreaths out, but I haven't put up my true inspiration. So when you see it, you're going to go, oh, that's what she was thinking. Well, now you have to admit, this flag really sets the tone. You notice we've got the red, we've got the green, we've got the white, and when you look at the wreaths, you're going to see a repeat of the red, the green, and the white. So I'm just going to step back for a minute because we're just getting started. And you can see the wreaths are on the house. They got a little candy cane going on in red, white, and green. So let's see what else we can do. Now, I asked the big guy yesterday, on Thanksgiving, you might say, and asked him to sweep off and blow off the front porch. And he did that. And you know what? I got up first thing this morning, and darn if those leaves are back. And I have even swept them this morning, and they're still trying to hang around. So we are just going to have to deal with the leaves and just take them as a part of the season. So let's get down to a little more work. All right, well, every door needs something to welcome the guest. And this particular wreath says, Merry and Bright. Now this sign I found at the Dollar Tree, and I like being able to use their signs because should it snow, rain, or whatever, then while even though this porch is covered, it's going to get damp. And we just need to make sure that it's not an expensive sign. So I'm sticking with our red, green, and our white, and we're going to be merry and bright. Guys, this is the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm not quite sure I'm ready to have everything out, but certainly I've been able to get a good start. And when I finish this porch, you will be the first to know. If you have watched my winter lantern collab that I did with Kenya's Decor Corner, then you'll know that I prepared 3 different lanterns for the front porch, and I'm getting ready to bring those out and put them on our porch. Now, because we're in our bubble, we're not going to have a lot of traffic in and out and on and off this porch. So I'm going to place the lanterns there, and I'm thinking that I may even add a little tree. I had considered garland, but I haven't quite decided if I'm going to put that up, but we'll see. As you can see, I've put the garland together, and now it's time to hang it. I had to put some command hooks up, so I've taken care of all of that. And now it's just time to get up there and actually attempt to put it up. Now, the wild thing is that I'm pretty independent, and I really thought that I could get this garland up totally by myself. And what you're going to find out is that, well, I'm still working on it. So we're going to work on that. But while we're struggling with the garland, I'm hoping that you will take a moment and go down in the description box where you will find Michelle of My Everyday Wife Life's information, and I hope that when you finish watching my video that you will visit her channel as well, because she does all kinds of things that involve homemaking. Now, also, if you are not a family member and you have not subscribed, I hope you'll take the time to do that, because we do these kinds of things all the time. This has been quite an adventure, and you know what? It's going to take 2 of us to get that garland up. I thought I could do it on my own, but you know what? That's not happening. So, I need some help. I will not be outdone. That garland is going up. So I did solicit the help of hubby, who refused to be on camera. So therefore, you missed him. The big guy's just not going to be here. So here it is. And I am so excited because it really does look very nice. Now, as luck would have it, we have a terrible rain and windstorm that's supposed to come through. So now I've got to go and buy more command hooks, because I'm going to need to secure that garland down just a little bit tighter. I am so excited that you have spent the time to be with me today while we cleaned and decorated the front porch as well as the house today. So please come back. This is a great family, and we're all about having a wonderful and exciting and blessed Christmas. I'll see you soon, right here at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where we work hard. We love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Blessings.